An East King County nonprofit that focuses on individualized care for adults with developmental disabilities is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. A visionary single mother, Barbara Barger, founded DAHLIA Living all the way back in 1975. Today, the nonprofit supports 20 residents across 4 programs in Bellevue and Kirkland. Tyrah is down in the Arc Lounge with Wendy Peloquin, the president of DAHLIA Living's board of directors, and nurse Carisa Betancourt. Tyrah?
Thank you so much, Holly, for that introduction. And Wendy and Carisa, thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you, Tyrah, for having us.
Of course, you both have been, played significant parts in this organization for quite some time. For people who don't know, Wendy, why don't you just first start off by telling us what is DAHLIA Living and what you all do?
Absolutely. We operate 4 residential programs for developmentally disabled adults in Bellevue and Kirkland. And currently we have 24 residents that we support. We have staff at all 4 programs that are 24/7. And we have become the residents' families. They are residents who really could not live the life that they have without us. In a lot of cases, they have outgrown their ability to, their guardians have outgrown the ability to care for them, so they come to us. And we were founded by a woman who had a very developmentally disabled daughter back in the 70s, and back then there were nothing like what we had, so she figured out how to start this program, and we're still going 50 years later.
Like an additional family for these residents.
Correct.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
And as Holly mentioned, DAHLIA Living was founded back in 1975, 50 years, and you mentioned 4 programs now. Can you talk about sort of how things started and has evolved over time?
Sure. So Barb, with her daughter, the state's idea of help was an institution. She was a single mom. Think about it, there was no internet, there was no, she found the way to get the funding to start building these programs, and we opened our first program in 1983. There was such demand for it that we opened our second program in 87. Then we had Visions, where Carisa is our lead nurse, opened it as an intensive medical facility in 1992, and finally we opened Trail House in 97. So we've had a lot of stuff going on over the last 50 years.
Really reaching a big need.
Yes.
Absolutely. And Carisa, as Wendy mentioned, you are a nurse for DAHLIA Living. What is it like for you to work with these residents, develop relationships? You mentioned the family atmosphere of it all. Can you describe what your time has been like?
Yeah, I feel like we really work as a team. I've been at other programs when I was first starting as a nurse and trying other occupations or other fields in there. You don't have that everywhere, where you have a real team working with these guys, and they are family to us. And we get to do fun things with them, take them to the zoo, take them to the aquarium, go to concerts. I was at a Pink concert. We actually got upgraded to almost the front row. It was amazing.
That's beautiful.
So yeah, it's been a really great experience for me, and hopefully for the residents as well.
Absolutely. It sounds like it. I love the field trips. That sounds so fun.
Yeah.
And just a bit of a follow-up question. You mentioned, some of the residents, their guardians might feel like maybe they don't have the capacity to be a caretaker anymore, maybe feeling overwhelmed, if that's an accurate description.
Absolutely.
How do you all take care of yourself, kind of balance that sort of, what's that balance like for you?
Well, for us, I think the guardians, most of the time, once they've made the difficult decision to have their loved one come and live with us, they often will tell us, why didn't we do this sooner?
Oh, wow.
Because and we have 4 residents who are our original residents from 1983 when we opened Champion House. They still live with us. They've lived with us for over 40 years. And some of them, their guardians have now passed away. So and all 4 of them have far exceeded their life expectancy. So that is just such an amazing thing that our incredible staff, that they care for all of our residents.
What's been the biggest takeaway for both of you in being a part of this organization?
I just like the chance to give back, really. And these people are angels, most of them. They really are. So I'm blessed to work with them, really.
Did you have something you wanted to add?
I was going to say, for me, it's just, it's such an amazing organization. And I walk into any of the programs and just the love and the support that's there. These are, like I said earlier, these are people who could not live their lives without support, and we are able to do that and really, as Carisa said, give them a quality of life that they can't get elsewhere.
They can live their lives now as they would want to
Exactly.
with your help. So 50 years, what are you guys doing anything to sort of celebrate this milestone? And also, how can people in the community give back if they want to?
Oh, absolutely. So we are having our big annual fundraiser in Bellevue on September 27th. It's our annual auction. We're having a band. We're having giveaways. So we're really going to do it up this year. We'll have dancing. And as far as people helping, gosh, we use all the help we can get.
Okay.
Mostly we're federally funded, or federal or state funded. But we also, that's not enough. So we do our fundraising. So anybody can help with fundraising, but we also would love to have people join the board of directors or volunteer to come, hang out, read to our residents. We have one woman who comes and plays her violin for the residents. Another one brings their dog. So there's a lot of opportunities, and it's a really, it just makes you feel good to be a part of this organization.
I feel good just hearing about it. And volunteering sounds like such a great experience.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you both for coming in
Yeah.
and sharing all this information.
Perfect. Thank you so much for having us.
Absolutely. Holly, just incredible work.
It is, and Tyrah, I love all the ways that we can get involved to help them. What a great organization. Thank you. To learn more about Dahlia Living and how you can support the nonprofit, use your smartphone's camera to scan that QR code. It's on the corner of your screen. The link that pops up will take you directly to komonews.com/hotlinks. From there, you'll find a link to the organization's website.